Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw and color a water tank. Let's get started. First, draw the windshield at the front.
Okay.
Then, add the roof panels, a door, lights, and a handlebar.
Nice.
Next, draw the big water tank at the back of the truck.
Ciao, ciao.
Add a ladder on one side of the tank.
Oh, bye.
Now, draw the wheels at the bottom of the truck.
Yes.
Don't forget to add the fuel tank too.
Nice.
Lastly, write the word water on the tank. Great! The drawing is done. Now, it's time to color.
Okay.
Color the water tank red.
Nice. Wow. Wow. Nice.
Use red for the fuel tank too.
Okay.
For the front of the truck, color it light green.
Nice.
I use orange and red for light and handlebar.
Nice.
I use green and red upside. I use yellow for the ladder. Color the lower part of the truck blue. I use maroon here. I use light blue for window. For the wheels, I use maroon for the outside. Wow! And yellow for the rims. Color the word water light blue. Finally, take a marker and outline the drawing to make it stand out.
Nice.
And we're done. A bright and colorful water tanker is ready. And there you have it. A fun and colorful water tank ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art. Bye.